Okay, so right now I'll be making the guacamole chips with this wrap right here, and I'll show you guys how. So right now we have the wrap, and then we have a knife right here, and we're gonna cut them into pieces. So after you cut them into pieces, they're gonna look like this, like chip size. Okay, and then you just take a few pieces, you throw them into the air fryer, like this. Or if you have like a toaster oven, excuse me, you can just put them in the toaster oven for like 10 minutes or so. I only have an air fryer as well as a convectional microwave, so I'm gonna be using the air fryer today. So I can only put a few, but if you have an oven, then you can put more. Alright, so 200 degrees. It's like around like less than 5 minutes will be okay. Okay, so after they are cooked, and you can see it's kind of like this. Maybe not burnt yet, I guess. Still can eat. And then you have to get this guacamole dip. Okay, this guacamole dip, it's only available at Sai Pyramid's Eon. If you go to other Eon, you probably cannot find this. And this thing, it tastes really good, so I'm gonna show you how I eat it. So you just take one of the chips right here, from the wraps, and then you just dip it like this, like that. Okay, and then yeah, that's it. And to any of you wondering how many calories is this thing, it's only, I don't know if you guys can see. Okay, so the calories right here, for 100 gram, it's only 105 calories. So which means the whole can right here, 300 grams, it's only probably around like 300 plus calories. So yeah, I've already finished half of it. And they have a lot of healthy fats because it is made out of avocados. Everything is in Greek though.